Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see James Bond Island tour from Phuket Island. The James Bond Island tour starts from Ao Po Pier of Phuket Island. Once you reach here, the guide will elaborate about the places and how we travel, safety measures and so on. We would need 5 to 10 minutes walk to reach the pier entrance. After reach the entrance, you need to take a shuttle to get into the big boat of canoeing tour. When you book ticket in online, try to include pick up and drop from hotel to avoid rushing at last minute. It would be an easy and pleasant journey when you book ticket with pick up and drop all together. Our big boat is just starting from pier. Time is around 9:30 a.m. now. Ao Po Pier is really a beautiful location. There are many different types of boats here. Right now, we are at the top roof of big boat where it has open deck to see the beautiful nature of surroundings. You are welcomed by drinks and snacks as the package is inclusive of lunch, snacks, and drinks. You would explore the nature with multiple small islands while on travel to our first place. We came to our first attraction by traveling 2 hours. This is our major attraction of this tour, James Bond Island. We will transit by another long boat to visit the James Bond Island as big boat can't drop us directly. Guide will explain you about this place, what to do, where to meet back to start next attraction. There are so many local shops for visitors. Note, you must know how to bargain, otherwise you may overcharged. James Bond Island is well-known place by many as this place came in movies. You take a short walk on the hill 5 to 10 minutes to see other side of this island. You are allowed to spend 1 hour to visit the James Bond Island as the trip was planned with multiple activities. Have a look, the beautiful cave at the other side of island. There are few boats here halting by different groups. You may walk over on the seawater to reach this place, especially on the high tide. But, it's an amazing place to visit. Here, you are not allowed to swim or do any others activities. There will be security guard to safeguard people. The rock is an emblem of James Bond Island for tourists. It's also called as an identification of island. There is a small cave at the entrance too where people explore it. We just back to drop-off point to start back to next place. Now, we came to Koh Hong, a beautiful island to explore. The major activity here is kayaking. The big boat stopped here for 1 hour. You no need to pay anything here, as everything comes under package which has been paid. Your guide arranged kayaking boats based on interested people. The person who is in charge for kayaking boat will take you around the island. Kayaking person elaborate about this island and take you inside the dark cave. Have a look, we just entering into the dark cave. It's an amazing experience to explore at low tide. This cave doesn't have sunlight, it's completely dark, you won't see much. Approximately, it took 20 to 30 minutes to circle around the hill by kayaking. The same kayaking person drop you at small beach where people can swim and relax for another 15 minutes. Once you back to the big boat, you will be taking to another island is known as Panak Island. You would have another round of kayaking here for 1 hour. But, you will explore different places. There are many big boats halted here for tourists where all they went for kayaking. In case you don't like to go for kayaking, you may stay back on the big boat and relax. It's not mandatory that you should take the kayaking and visit all the places. This is an amazing experience going under cave of Fabulous Island. It's completely dark. The kayaking person will have a torch to safely move in. There are many kayaking boats up and down. Some point of time, you may lying down to avoid hurt yourself. So that, you boat can go in. The moment you come out of the cave, you will see another world that mesmerizing you. Have a look, they brought you to another location which is surrounded by hills. This place is mind-blowing, really not sure where are we, but it's an amazing spot you must visit once. The James Bond Island tour package cost is about 70 Singapore dollars per adult and 60 Singapore dollars per child, including pick-up and drop-off hotel. You must take necessary things, snacks, swimming dresses, etc. along with you, as this tour fully packed for 7 hours. Hope you like the video and the information is provided here. Kindly don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more good videos. Thank you so much for watching Kanaulagam Travel Guide.